Good morning, all the teachers. I am Mahesh from KL Technological University, and right now I am studying in 8th semester. And recently, I have completed my internship training program of 4 months at Sky company, software company, which is located at Belgium. And I have completed my training program in IoT domain. So based on my domain, I have done the project based on IoT based smart irrigation system. So this is the hardware setup that I have created for the project. The main thing is this is the controller that I'm using for the project. This is NodeMCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Then this is a DHT sensor which is used for measuring the temperature and humidity of the environment. And then this is the relay module. Then coming to field, we have connected one light for at the visualizing at night. Then I have also connected a soil moisture sensor for measuring the moisture content of the soil. And then here we have water motor which will feed the water to the field according to the threshold which we have set. So if the threshold value goes below 25, then only the water will start flowing to the field. So then this is the Adafruit IO interface through which we can visualize the data. Like here we have moisture sensor data. Then here we have humidity and temperature data. And here we have two switches. One is for the LED switch, and other is the switch we have used for pump. Then this is the Arduino code that we have implemented for the project. So initially we can see that here the moisture sensor is giving the reading as 4.3%. So can you as we dip it down, the value will go on increasing. Now it is showing 45%.